Well met, travelers. Back at it like we never left. Have you ever been paranoid? What's that? You're a wilted husk of your former self due to the constant onslaught of anxiety in your life, and now you barely recall what the sensation of safe is? Perfect. Have I got a video for you? We are at Paranoia Haunted House in Canton, Georgia. I have been graciously invited out to the attraction to give my thoughts. Let's rock and roll. Now, one of the coolest things about Paranoia Haunted House is something you're about to see right now. Got some merch here. A lot of cool, neat stuff. Now out here, out in the back, they've actually got a really cool, like, carnival Midway section with free games and snacks and food and drink and a DJ and all that good stuff. We'll see if this makes it in due to copyright. This haunted house does so many things correctly, but one of the biggest ones is the theming. The sets in this place are stunning, y'all. Stunning. Like Margot Robbie level stunning. It's great. On to the second house. Ma'am, I am not trying to get demonetized. This is not okay. How's your day going, buddy? Look like you're having a nice, happy time. Hey, friend. Good job.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Ringmaster Barkley. If you need anything, you just let me know.
Thank you very much, Ringmaster.
Watch your head. You might lose it.
Hey again, travelers. It's been a day or so. I was ruminating on my thoughts. First of all, I'd like to thank Dave, Robert, and Jacob for not only having me out to Paranoia, but for giving me the behind-the-scenes tour It was great. Now, the attraction itself, both attractions, they have two inside of the haunt, are both wonderful. Now, a lot of you might be used to haunted houses where you're going through in a conga line and the extent of the acting is some people jumping out and going, rah! That's not what Paranoia is. Paranoia actually takes the time to train their actors. You will be spoken to, you will be monologued to in places. They will follow you around. It's great. The sets are my favorite part. The sets are gorgeous. You've got water effects, you've got animatronics, you've got beautiful hand-built facades, and it feels like you're in another world. It is completely immersive. Paranoia is my favorite haunted house in general, probably right now, but in Georgia, for sure. It's great. It's beautiful. The team over there have done a great job. Dave, the owner, incredible job. If you are in that area, this area, Atlanta area, Georgia area, or anywhere nearby, you have got to go check out Paranoia. I know there are other haunts in Atlanta that have huge marketing budgets, and so does Paranoia for the most part, but they don't get talked about as much as some of the others, and they should, because they are incredible. So if you're ever in the area, please make it a point to get out to Paranoia Haunted House and tell them Smokin' Thrills sent you. With all that being said, it's good to be back. I know it took me a minute. Sorry about that. I had to get some things straight in life. But I thought we'd ease back into it with some fun, spooky times and spooky content. And with all that being said, I'll see you real soon. And until we meet again, travelers, Godspeed.